Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and welcome to our Spirit launch. Today we will be launching a new finish, and this new finish called Spirit, together with 5 decors, culminates in what I call a luxury wood grain that we'll be launching today. With that, and without much ado, I hand over to Paul Lerios, who will then take us further into the discussion and show us a little bit more about Spirit. What really is it about, and how does it fit in our collection?
Thanks, Robin. Thanks very much for the introduction. We're very excited about this launch. As you know, launching a new finish in our industry is not something that's done every day. In fact, it's not something that's done every year. And as such, we can't help but feel that this is a bit of a special moment for us and somewhat of a special occasion. It is often not just the finish that makes the end product special, but the combination of the structure of the decor, the color tone of the decor, as well as the embossed finish that makes the end product something special. So I'd like to just take you through a brief walkthrough on the next slide of how we've landed up where we are, and some of the finishes that form part of the Innovis collection. The finishes that we have in this Innovis collection range for various applications and uses, and we truly feel that now we have something for every application and every taste. Launching new finishes provides not just choice to the market, but it also, as Robin mentioned, delivers on the promise of innovation that Innovis has become so well known for around the world. As far as finishes go, you'll be familiar with our textured finish, which provides a smooth surface and is great for all environments, but especially for horizontal applications. We have our alpine finish, which is a stalwart in our collection, a wood grain finish, which has truly stood the test of time. We then launched our silhouette finish, which is a linear embossed finish, and it offers a deep matte effect, which creates highly authentic wood grain structures. And we then moved into a bit more of a specialist category when we launched our stucco finish. Our stucco finish is an award-winning finish, and it provides a highly tactile surface, which obviously is inspired by ceramic and concrete textures. And now we are where we are, and we're very happy to announce the launch of our Spirit finish. Spirit is a very expressive finish. It's full of movement and contrast, and we believe that it truly provides the true spirit of real wood. So I'd like to take you through some of the characteristics of this finish, and please bear with me as we go into a little bit of the technical detail on the next slide. The Spirit finish is a deep structured wood grain finish. It uses what's called black pour technology, and also one technology, which is a patented micro engraving technique that is used in the manufacturing of this embossing plate. The end result is that the wood pours in this finish appear to be black and a lot darker and a lot deeper than finishes previously. This results in a visual effect of depth and multidimensionality. And if you have a look at Spirit, it's as close to a semi-synchronic finish as is possible. It results in a shimmering 3-dimensional play in light, and we're in a fortunate position that while developing this finish, we could custom develop a collection of decors that would highlight this Spirit finish to the absolute maximum degree, and that's why we believe that it is a semi-synchronic finish. We feel that the pairing of wood structures, the color tones, the multi-dimensional Spirit finish have resulted in a collection that is summed up in one word, as Robin mentioned, luxurious. I'll now take you through each of the 5 decors that are available in this Spirit finish. And just going back to the previous launch that Robin spoke about in May, Innovis is all about matching life, and the 5 decors that we are launching in this collection provide a well-balanced variety of color from light to dark, structure and depth, And we believe that this creates the perfect product to create your perfect living space. I'll now take you through each of the 5 decors. On the next slide is the first of the 5 decors, which is named Amber. Amber is a very natural tone wood grain. It's the perfect choice to mix and match with louder decors, such as some of the steel or even the stone choices that are available in our fantasy collection. Just below the image, you'll see that all of these decors are available in what we refer to as half stacks or stacks of 15 quantity. It's available on MDF substrate only, and in our 16mm thickness, which is our standard thickness. The price band for these products will be the exclusive price band, which is a new price band in our collection. Moving on to the next decor that we are launching as part of this sub-collection is a decor called Nevada. Nevada, it has a stronger and deeper tone, and it has an incredible likeness to that of veneer. This mixed together with the spirit finish really provides an embossing that stands out. Moving on to the next wood grain in the collection, this decor is named AURORA. And AURORA, it might be difficult to see on this image, but you'll see on the physical samples more clearly, has a slight metallic effect to it, which is actually something quite unique. It highlights the pores of the wood and it adds depth to the decor. And with the spirit finish, it's actually quite soft and can provide a comforting feel to the space that it is used in. The 4th decor that we are launching into this collection is KINGSWOOD. I must admit, KINGSWOOD is my personal favorite of the 5. I think each of us have our own favorites, as is, as per our personal taste. It's together with Amber, this decor also has a metallic ink that has been used in tastefully creating a warm decor. The last decor that I'd like to speak about as part of this sub-collection of 5 luxury wood grains is ECLIPSE. This decor has a wonderful play on light. It's a dark decor, but together using some modern printing techniques has these incredibly sophisticated metallic streaks through it, which really brightens it up.